Yo, what is up, guys? We're back to another video. Today, we're gonna be playing Beast Room Simulator. And sorry if I stopped talking or something. It's because I have the hiccups right now. Oh yeah. We're playing here with Lid Nugget 30. It's been a while since we made a video with him. And I've been playing for a while. Good. See, okay, I'm just kidding. I have 9 tickets, and I need you guys to say goodbye to Panda Bear. I think I already did in the video before this one. Panda Bear quests are gone because I finished all of them. The last one was the real final showdown. Oh my god, I hate the hiccups a lot. I'm gonna try to finish the mantis meatballs on this video. Sorry that my finger was in the way. Kill the mantis. My bees killed a king beetle, but they can't kill the mantis. Finally. Okay. I need this. Thank you. Whee! Oof. Hi there, sir. How you doing? What doing? Oh yeah, I unlocked the blue HQ. I think I did that in my previous video. I don't know. I forgot about the werewolf. Even though I just killed him. I got more bees. I think I told you that too. I only need 3 more bees, and then I'm gonna actually be able to get in the 25 zone. So yeah, I could actually do it, but I just need 22 types of bees. So let's do this. Over here, I'm gonna switch my blue bee first. Oh my god, I hate the looker bee, even though it's a new bee. Nope. That's the only looker bee I have. How does that not count? Oh my god. I was just watching Gravy Catman when he gets 100 million honey. So I just wanted to play Beast Room Simulator. Oh wait. There you go. Finally a crack. I don't know if you guys heard it. Oh no. I thought that was Lid Nugget 30, but it's the very top guy. I always love doing that. Like before I touch it, I use my parachute. Ooh. The scorpion spawned. How could they? I didn't think they would. I'm just kidding. Strawberry field times 2 boost. So beast. Okay. No scorpion spawn now. I still made it. Oh my god, I hate when the music just does that. Whenever I go past right here, the music just Zaw. I hate that. Wait. Times 2 madness? Oh. Don't really happen to me. But still no music. Who kept on doing that? They just kept on wasting their honey or tickets on I'm just kidding. Okay. I'm always wanting touch the scotch. Yesterday on May 24th, I was lucky because someone did a honey storm, and I was in the server. Flamingo. Okay, I'm sorry you can't see my thing. I forgot what it's called. Face cam. Okay, there we go. It just... no, I'm not even gonna say it. Fine, it just stops my face cam and stuff that around, and then once, I get off it, it continues going, but it's all different. Like, let's say my bee was making power up, it's not done. I do that, freezes, then once I take it off, it's already gonna be done, and it might be gone if it, well, it matters how long, I was, doing the thing. It's been a while, and I'm still not full. I'm getting upset. I'm just kidding. Someone's up there. I don't know who it can be, but it could be anyone. That lid nugget 30? Yep, that's lid nugget 30. Okay. After this, I'm making a geometry dash world video. So yeah. Yeah. If you guys could do that, tell me in the comments. Mode. I'm just kidding. I don't know why, but I'm just weird on face cam. But I'm gonna end the video here since the music's fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, put a like, and send on the comments below. Bye. Wait. Okay, bye.